Welcome to our in-depth review of the ultimate Bluetooth wireless speaker built for power, durability, and all-day performance, the 80W Peak Loudspeaker with Bass, designed especially for job site warriors, garage tinkerers, outdoor enthusiasts, and workshop pros. This speaker isn't just loud, it's smart, rugged, and made to work as hard as you do. At first glance, this portable speaker means business. Dressed in all black with a tough exterior, it gives you the confidence to bring it anywhere, from dusty construction zones to rainy campsites. Its portable design, integrated handle, and rugged build make it perfect for professionals who need reliable sound on-site or music lovers who want immersive audio outdoors. Let's talk sound. This speaker delivers a powerful 80 watts of peak output. That's more than enough to cut through ambient noise on a busy job site or energize a backyard barbecue. Dual drivers and enhanced bass radiators deliver deep, punchy lows, clear mids, and crisp highs, creating a balanced audio experience. Whether you're streaming rock, hip-hop, EDM, or podcasts, the sound is full-bodied and distortion-free even at high volumes. Bass lovers, rejoice! This speaker is tuned for extra bass, thanks to a dedicated low-frequency enhancement design. Whether you're powering through drywall installation or kicking back on a fishing trip, you'll feel the beat, not just hear it. The bass is rich without being muddy, offering a satisfying thump that brings your music to life. Battery anxiety? Not here. With up to 20 hours of playtime on a single charge, this speaker keeps the music going all day, and even into the night. Whether you're working an 8-hour shift or spending a weekend off-grid, this speaker is ready. It charges via USB-C, so you're future-proofed with faster, more efficient recharging. Built for the real world, this speaker is IPX6 waterproof, meaning it can withstand heavy splashes, rain, and even blasts from a hose. That's a huge bonus for outdoor job sites, beach parties, camping trips, or garage use where spills and splashes are inevitable. It's not afraid of the elements, and neither should you be. Durability extends beyond waterproofing. With a rubberized, impact-resistant housing, this speaker handles drops, bumps, and vibrations like a champ. It's been engineered for rough environments, which makes it perfect for workspaces, sheds, or anywhere durability matters. Despite its ruggedness, it remains lightweight and easy to carry, so it's never a burden to take along. This speaker features advanced Bluetooth 5.0 for quick pairing, stable connections, and extended range, up to 100 feet in open space. That means you can keep your phone safe and dry while your tunes pump from across the yard or warehouse. It also supports wired connections via AUXN, giving you flexibility when Bluetooth isn't an option. Need even more sound? Engage TWS, True Wireless Stereo Mode.